Hi, hello, welcome to Traveling with Dave. I'm your host, Dave McGowan, and today we are at Disneyland, California Adventure. Right now I'm in line at Toy Story Midway Mania, ready to go inside. They say it's 40 minutes. We just got in line. We'll see how that goes. I'm going to kind of keep you in touch with what's happening here at California Adventure, and then we're going to take a look at Disneyland. So it should be a great day. Hey folks, just to remind you, if you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, please hit that bell and get notified whenever we're on. That way you keep up with all the content. It really helps me out a lot, and it doesn't cost anything, so it's a win-win. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon. Here at Toy Story Midway Mania. As you can see, the queue is pretty long, but it's really a cool place. And if you're here in the summertime, the air conditioning in here is really fantastic. This is Toy Story Midway Mania. What a great ride. It was our first ride of the day, and just a great time. We love it. Here we are in the Toy Story Midway Mania loading line right here. This is where you get to load into the cars, and if you see those cannons on the front of the car, that's what you shoot to hit the different targets. What a great time this is. It's fantastic. This is Toy Story Midway Mania. What a great ride. It was our first ride of the day, and just a great time. We love it.
Get forward and hold on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Face forward and hold on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Here we are in the gardens area, and this is where they're celebrating the Lunar New Year. Really fantastic. There's so much going on, so many decorations, so much authentic music, and great food. This is pretty much fun for everybody, and it's a very short, very wonderful celebration. This is the year of the tiger, and here we are. Here we go. This is Goofy Sky School. You can see the cars, you can see all the stuff, and here we go, on their way up the ramp. Pretty cool place. I like it. Here we go. That's the hard stop that really hurts. I love that. Hi, Wendell. Say hello. Hey, all right. There we go. Beautiful. Here we are on the Radiator Springs Racers. You can see the cars pulling into the queue and everybody loading up. We decided to take the single rider line because it's much, much faster, and it's taken us less than 10 minutes to get to the front of the line here. So we're doing really well.
Racing yet? Just follow Mater into town to get ready.
Mater, coming, Sheriff! Howdy! Here for the big race, huh? It's gonna be fun! Hey, you ever gone tractor tipping? It's easy. Just sneak up on them and honk. Ready? Don't let Frank catch you. Honk!
bug, hippie.
Radiator springs.
Champion needs speed
And style.
Luigi, give our friend your best.
For you, my friend, on with the race. Pick up. Oh, yes. Look. Oh, what tires. Now you look like a real race car. Guido, to the starting line.
It takes more than new tires to win a race. I'm your new crew chief.
I'll tell you when to pitch it hard.
Look at you. Your style is the same. I am fast. I am speed. I am like lightning. And now the race. She's about to begin. Try to get ready and come on.
Greetings. It is a great honor to stand before you today. On behalf of King T'Challa and the Kingdom of Wakanda, I am Okoye, General of the Dora Milaje.
This is the machine that enlarges old food. See the little pretzels coming in? And the giant pretzels going up.
Nothing to see here. Move along. You don't look like recruits. I've got this. Infantry alarm level 2. All units alerted. My turn.
This is the street going into the Hollywood Studios part of California Adventure. You can see Buena Vista Street, the Hyperion Theater, and all of the different attractions that make this part of Hollywood. All right, here I am at California Adventure. We are in the center of town here at Carthay Circle, waiting for the show called Five and Dime. We're going to watch that show, and then we're going to head over to Disneyland. But what a great day.
Well, hello there, everybody. Good afternoon.
Hello.
Well, to see you. We are Five and Dime. And we're here to have a little fun, right, fellas? but honey, ain't we got fun? The rent's unpaid, dear. Not a bus, but it's not paid, dear. For people like us, in the winter, in the summer, don't we have fun? Times are bumming, in bumming, still we have fun. There's nothing sure or safe. The rich get rich, the poor get poor. In the meantime, in between time, ain't we got fun?
Swing it by.
In the meantime, in between time, ain't we got fun?
All right, we're going to finish the California adventure part of the day today. Hey folks, just to remind you, if you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Please hit that bell and get notified whenever we're on. That way you keep up with all the content. And I just want to thank you for watching. I hope you had a good time. And as always, the next time we talk, I'll see you on vacation.